Hey guys, in this video we're going to review CRK, Comstock Resources Inc. Looking here at Market Watch, it looks like they had earnings today, although they didn't have them until the afternoon. But let's take a look at the levels here. So there was an opportunity to trade this stock in the AM. If we take a look at the first breakout, it was right at the open. It was quite an interesting breakout here, a nice range. So we have 59 cents. It was 59.18, 69, 77 cent range. So it was two candles with pretty high volumes. What is it? 85,000. Second candle was 58,000. So then we have the third candle, which is a green candle, but is what I would consider a pullback candle. So this candle had a little less volume. Uh, the the bulls that were definitely still trying to buy, but uh, it was not able to reach a higher high over this 859 level. So then we have the pullback. So we take a look at this stock. We're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles for the pullback. And if you see here, very conveniently, it does tap the 9 EMA. It does break it a little bit, but then it comes right back up, and that's where the sellers just took off and made this the second breakout happen. So let's take a look at the levels. So 859 for the high of the breakout. Then for the low of the pullback, we have 794. So that's a pretty big range. That's a range. That's not a technical level that a lot of people look at. Maybe I'm the only one who looks at that level, but it definitely gives me a good idea for when to buy a stock depending on the size of the range of the breakout and what the pullback typically is. Um, but it's a pretty big pullback. So it's 59 cents. It's a 64-cent pullback. Then at this level, I'll mark it with the horizontal line. We have the breakout spot. So again, as I've mentioned in previous videos, I hate when it takes more than 3 or 4 candles to for a pullback to finally break out. But we can see here that on this chart, on this stock, the the breakout level was at 804, and we see that it reached a high of 855 in a total of 4 candles. For the fourth candle, closing as a red candle. So let's take a look at the volume. So we have the first candle was the candle with the most volume. Second candle was still part of the breakout candle, not as much volume. As you can see, there's a big wick here. Uh, there weren't as many buyers. But then on the pullback, it started, the volume started decreasing, considerably, which is a good thing. You want to see low volume on the pullback. And then here on the breakout candle, you see it's interesting because although it did break out, I mean it's 816. This level was 804. You would think that that would serve as enough confirmation for most traders to just jump in and make it happen on this candle or on this candle. But no, on this one it took until the third breakout candle to really make a big move. So that's CRK. We can see that after this, nothing much happened. But that's my review for CRK. If you have any questions, just please let me know. And if you have any suggestions as well, please leave them in the comments section. Thank you very much. Have a good one.